Welcome to our instructional video on solving for a variable in a simple algebraic equation. In this video, we will be solving the equation 6 times x plus 7 equals 25. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of the steps needed to find the value of x in this equation. Let's get started. To solve for the variable x in the equation 6x plus 7 equals 25, we need to isolate x. First, let's understand the given equation. 6x plus 7 equals 25. We want to get x by itself on one side of the equation. To do that, we need to remove the plus 7 from the left side, so we will subtract 7 from both the left side and the right side of the equation. This keeps the equation balanced as we are performing the same operation on both sides. So, subtracting 7 from the left side, 6x plus 7 minus 7, and on the right side, 25 minus 7. Let's do the subtraction. 6x plus 0 on the left side leaves us with 6x. 25 minus 7 on the right side is 18. Now our equation is 6x equals 18. By subtracting 7, we have simplified the original equation to 6x equals 18, which brings us closer to solving for x. Now we have the simplified equation 6x equals 18. Next, to isolate x, we need to remove the 6 that is multiplying x. To do that, we will divide both sides of the equation by 6. This step is necessary because dividing both sides by the same number keeps the equation balanced. So we take the left side 6x and divide by 6. And for the right side, we take 18 and divide by 6. Let's do the division. 6x divided by 6 on the left side leaves us with x. 18 divided by 6 on the right side is 3. So our equation now is x equals 3. By dividing both sides by 6, we have isolated x and found that x equals 3. This is the solution to the problem. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.